Hello friends, I'm Balaram. I will.
What happened? Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, start.
Hello friends, I'm Balaram. You are watching Masti Ki Pathshala.
তুমি করলে না? You're not happy.
No.
Happy. And you can see this is Debojyoti. He comes from far
Hello
distance.
friends, I'm Balaram.
And
You are watching.
okay, and this is Balaram, our hero, and he is the son of a soldier, right, Balaram?
Yes.
Your father is a soldier, yes. And this boy you can see is Krishnendu, and this boy is Tushar. You can see he is wearing mask, and this is our Anuradha, right, Anuradha? Say hello. Oh, sorry, Bonoshri, right, Bonoshri. Okay, I am confused. Okay, now your father has reached. Your father has reached Jammu and Kashmir?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And now you and your mother at home.
Yes.
Father is not there.
No.
Are you missing your father?
No, go to Punjab.
Oh, your father has gone to Punjab.
Yes.
Transfer. He has got transfer.
Yes.
Say, he has got
He has got
transfer.
transfer.
Okay. And what your mother was doing?
My mother working.
Working. Okay, now you can see they are doing their work. Here Debojyoti is writing question answers, and Krishnendu is doing science, she's doing English, Tushar is doing science. Okay, and Debojyoti is doing English. Okay, start doing your work. Today is Chhat Puja, and in the morning I did not do the vlog because I was not well. That's why in the morning I did not do, and these students, they told me to do right now. That's why I'm doing right now a small vlog I'm making. And today here it is Chhat Puja, so many of them are absent today. What happened, Balram?
Ma'am,
Huh?
my mother Lalu Pulu.
Your mother is Lalu Pulu?
Yes.
Why?
My father go to Punjab. Next crying.
Your mother was crying?
Yes.
And then your father wiped his tears like
Yes.
this,
Yes.
like cinema.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, tell your mother not to cry. Tell your mother whenever your father goes, tell your mother to give a smile, to bid goodbye with a smile on her face. No crying.
My father go no crying.
Father was not crying. Mother is only Lalu Pulu.
I'm no crying.
You are not. You were not crying. Okay, only mother was crying,
Very
right?
happy.
You were very happy. Okay, very good.
Smile.
You smile. Yes, that's good. Bid goodbye with a smile on your face. Okay.
Yes.
Always.
No crying.
No crying. Yes. What is there to cry? Is he going to fight? Huh? He is going to protect our country. Your mother should be proud.
No, this is India.
Wait. Now, what you were telling, Estelle? Your father?
My father go.
Start writing. Yes.
I will not cry.
Yes. Your father has gone where? To Punjab to protect our country, no? Yes. Protect. Yes. From our enemies, right?
Protect our India.
Protect India from
India.
protect India from whom?
China.
Yes, very good. Okay.
China, Pakistan.
Okay. They all are friends. We all are friends. You know? We all are friends. Okay?
Our channel goes to Pakistan.
Yes, that's why we all are friends.
Pakistan, Egypt.
Yes, so they all are our friends. They are watching our channel, right? Yes.
Friends.
They
Pakistan.
everyone is our friend, right? But we must protect our country. That's why we are protecting, right? Okay. Now Debojyoti, what happened? You want to go to toilet?
Yes, mom.
Go. Debojyoti. And here you can see Aniruddha has come. Aniruddha, why are you so late today?
Because my brother has come.
Brother? Okay, take out now. Yes.
Please assume the map.
That is very tough. I cannot. You can explain me. So here you can see. I cannot use my bheja brain. I cannot use my bheja. So you can see over here. Right now, this boy Krishnendu has given me one sum, means one puzzle, right? I'm showing you all. So if you know the answer, you please comment me in the comment box. Okay, Jyoti? Okay, Nitin? Okay, Mushin Bhai and other friends. I don't know your names. So please comment me. I don't know your names. So please do comment me the answer. Okay, so here he has written 3 is equals to 5. 10 is equals to 3. Go. 5 is equals to 4. 4 is equals to 4. And so 11 is equals to what? So there will be a question mark. So you have to do that. Okay. All of you try to do this and tell the answer to Krishnendu. You write the answer in comment box so that Krishnendu can see. So Krishnendu has already subscribed our channel. So Krishnendu can see at home. Right, Krishnendu? Okay, now all of you study. You can see many students, they have come. That's why we have shifted from big room to small room, right?
Small room to big room.
Oh, sorry, small. Oh my god, I'm not well, no? That's why everything is going ulta pulta. Small room to big room, yes. And here is our sweet Lucy. And this girl is yawning. Do fast. We can see Balram, he has come. I will explain in the chapter. I'm not feeling well, then also I'm explaining. Yes, Balram, what happened?
For my pencil.
Okay, later we will find. Now listen. What is the name of the chapter? Clever chicks. So these chicks are clever like you, okay? A brown hen and a white duck are friends. See? These two are friends. I can see you. This brown and this white. These two are friends. Jimmy. Hello, I am a hen. So what Jimmy is telling, that I am a hen. Dimmy. Hello, I am a duck. So Dimmy is a duck. There are 6 ducklings. There are how many ducklings? 6 ducklings. Jyoti, come, listen. I am the mother.
I am the mother.
So this hen is the mother of this, right? No, not chicks. This
duckling.
duckling. This duck is the mother, right? Now, Ginny, there are 5 chicks. I am the mother. So Ginny is also telling there are 5 chicks and hen is the mother. Come, Ginny, we go to the market. Now they will go to market for shopping, right?
Yes.
Now they have to come for Children's Day, no? These ducks and hen also. So they are planning. Yes. Now, chicks, we want popcorn. So these baby chicks are telling that if you are going to market, then bring for us what? Popcorns. And ducklings are telling we want what? Balloons. Dimmy, you sit in the house. Ginny, you are good children. But they are telling, okay, you all are good children. We will bring for you. You all sit in the house. They go to the market. Now this two, mother, right? This
Mother, go see.
they have gone, right? Now a clever cat looks. Now this clever cat has come at the chicks and the duckling.
Mother and chick see and mother see.
Yes.
Two.
Yes. Now see, a clever cat looks at the chicks and the duckling. So this clever cat is looking at the chicks and the ducklings. Cat. Ah, they are nice. They are soft. I want to eat them. So cat is telling to himself that I want to eat them because they are so sweet and they are so soft. They are tasty. Knock, knock. Now somebody has come. See, they are knock, knock. The chicks and the ducklings see from the window. So the chicks and the ducklings are looking from the window. Who is there? Chicks and ducklings see the cat. So what they see? They saw a cat. Now after seeing the cat, what they told to each other? Shh, means be silent. Yes, it is a good trick. Okay. They opened the door. All come with mask. They opened the door and they were wearing one mask. Bow wow, how cat. Ooh, now this cat was frightened, right? Now Ginny and Dinny come back. So Ginny and Dinny came back from the market. They all dance in the garden. Now they all are dancing with the balloons and hats and popcorns and everything. You are so nice, Mama. Ducklings are telling they're so nice because you have brought balloons for us. And these chicks, what are they telling? Thank you, Mama. We love you. So why they are telling thank you? Because Mama has brought what? Whatever Mama has promised. Balloons. Yes, Dimmy, you are brave. And Dimmy is telling you all are brave children. Now, did you understand?
Yes.
So you have to learn the spellings. I am going to mark the spellings, okay? Here you can see Balram and he will sing a rap. Chalo, 1, 2, 3, start.
गाते लोग प्यार से तो सनन मुझे नाम से, गाते लोग प्यार से तो सनन मुझे नाम से, हट रबर रबर हूँ मैं, तेरे रबर हूँ मैं, हट रबर रबर हूँ मैं, तेरे रबर हूँ मैं, सारी रात जाऊँ तो मैं, तेरे रबर हूँ मैं, हट रबर रबर हूँ मैं, रबर हूँ मैं।
Done.